viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Now I am going to show you how to make Weikfield Mango Flavored Jelly Crystals. Okay, let's start. Cooking directions are also available here. Now open the packet. Now empty the contents of the pack. And also add premix sachet also. Now mix well. Now switch on the flame and add 500 ml of water. I am using 250 ml cup, so I am taking 2 cups of water. Let it boil. Now pour the boiled water into the mixture. Now mix well without lumps. Stir until completely dissolved. Now pour the mixture into ice cube tray. I am adding remaining mixture into this bowl. Here I am using ice cream tray. You can use any silicone molds. Place this mixture at room temperature for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, our mango jellies are ready.